Just cause and authorized cause of termination. So, yung just cause, matatanggal ka dahil ikaw ay nagkaroon ng misconduct o gross misconduct. May ginawa kang mali. Ninakawan mo yung iyong boss. Late ka parate. Yung punctuality mo is even question. Absenteeism or sa mga absenteeism or truancy, yung mga ganyan. And yung sinasabi naman nilang authorized cause, yun yung job redundancy. Ibig sabihin paulit-ulit nagre-resizing, no? Nagda-downsize kasi repeated na yung ginagawa at nag-a-add lang ng labor cost. And pag nagsara yung establishment, yun yung authorized cause. So, dalawang ways pala para matanggal ka. Yun yung nagsara yung kumpanya or nagkaroon ka ng misconduct. Sa mga lawyers yan, yung mga lawyers dito sa TikTok at saka sa Instagram, nag-aano ng ganyan. So, naisipan natin i-vlog. As a former HRD staff, dapat alam ko rito, as a graduate of business management, masteral degree level pa. So, these are the things I should know. By mind and by heart. So, yun lang po.